this video, I will be demonstrating the project from assignment 2 from Web Mobile and 2 course. So essentially, the most important parts of the code, I would say, is this security config, where I'm basically giving access to those with roles user and admin to the user slash everything. Then the ones that have only admin, so it means no one can access but admins, this path, and then I permit all to sign up and basically welcome page. Now coming to community controller, here what we have is that we basically make basic CRUD operations. We get the communities, we are creating new communities, we're updating and deleting, and these are the basically codes for that methods. User controller, essentially the same thing that we are having CRUD, but this time basically our creation of a new user is through sign up, so it's not going to be from user controller. So what we have here, delete again, and here we're deleting basically, since this is a string as we store in the database, I'll show it later. The way to delete, I've just come up with this solution. And coming to base controller, this is the mapping method for the welcome page, that if the user is admin, then give the index for admins, and if the user is not admin, means it's a user, then give user slash index. And we have also sign up controller, and also one of the sign up control is basically this, and one of the important things is that we are converting to sign up DTO and user DTO. For example, in user, when we compare, we have many things here as data, but we only get ID, username, roles, and roles list for the user DTO, and similar thing for sign up DTO. So we don't have much time. We come here, we'll basically log in now, admin. So this is our admin page. We have two options. Let me go back. Okay, so we have manage users list, manage communities list. Let's go first here. So the logic here is that we cannot delete user role because everyone is automatically user, but so we can try here. It's not, so we can also check the database to see if it has actually been deleted. As you can see, no, but we can delete this and we see that it's deleted. We can add it back as well. Check it. Okay, so essentially speaking, I mean, those users. Essentially, this is the same thing for users. We can add. Coming to manage communities, let's first make sure that everything works in the database. Okay, we have everything here. What we're doing basically, we have three options. We can add community, we can delete, and we can update. So in update, we have validation. So if this is empty, we try to update, it's not going to happen. It says community name cannot be empty. So we have to have some name. Let's say git. Let's add this. And same thing for this as well. Yeah, so let's just say this update community. Now we can see that it's updated. Let's check the database as well, updated here. When it comes to delete, we can delete, and we see the number is 4 here. We can run 4 communities left. We can add the community as well. Let's say I don't my name and this. Again, we added. Let's check the database. We see with the new ID as well. Now we're done with admin, so let's see what the user sees with no admin role. So it can only see user community, so it cannot delete, error, it cannot update, error, nor it can add new community. So we're logging out now. Let's check sign up. Let's say my name. Let's say, but there's also let's do empty first. There's also validation here as well, and let's check. See, this is empty, so we should give something here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. what was the okay, let's check. As we can see, we have the user, but I mistyped. So let's create some other one. We can log in easily. So we have user, so we can again only access this. And the same thing if you add admin role, it's gonna be we'll be gonna be able to delete. So this was it about the project. Thank you very much for watching.